So one area that students with disabilities may need help with and that can be remedied with assistive technology is computer access. So today we're going to go over an assistive technology that will allow them to access their computer and those programs more easily. And what we're going to go over is called an on-screen keyboard. And what this is a keyboard that appears on the screen of the computer that allows the student to type using the mouse and the letters on the screen as opposed to the keyboard itself. So this can be used with students mostly without fine motor skills or with problems with their fine motor skills. It can also be used with students with any learning and intellectual disabilities or even vision impairments to make the keyboard larger. But mostly we're going to use this with students that have problems with their fine motor skills. So we're going to go over how to use this on-screen keyboard so we can help our students more effectively. So this on-screen keyboard is already downloaded on all Windows computers. So you'll go down here to the Start menu and click on that, and then we'll click on All Programs. Here we see lots of folders. We're going to click on Accessories, and then come down to the folder titled Ease of Access. Here we see a few options that are accessibility folders for these students. We're going to click on On-Screen Keyboard. Here the keyboard appears, and it's very small, which may not be very helpful, and it's up at the top of the screen. So we're going to move it down to the bottom of the screen just because I feel like this would be most helpful for these students with problems with their fine motor skills, and we'll make it bigger so that they can see this more easily. So here we're going to use Microsoft Word that I have pulled up already to type some words. So to start out, you can click on the letters in order to form a word. So I'm going to click on these letters to spell the word click. So we will just make sure that it's typing on the Microsoft Word. And there the word click appears. It has many options that you can use to change how it works. One that I feel is very helpful for students with fine motor skill issues is hovering over the keys. So this allows them to simply hover the mouse over a key and it will type the word. So here I'm not typing the letter, but it is just hovering over the letter and the word is being typed. So that's easier for students that have a problem typing on small letters or clicking the button. They only have to hover over and it is able to click on whatever they'd like and they're able to spell. So this is very helpful for students with computer access issues, especially with fine motor skill problems, and that is how to use an on-screen keyboard.